Hello.
Sale data, sale item data. This is a sale item data, and this is a sale header data. So I will give you example of item or header.
Anyone? Give header.
Okay. Suppose this is a item data.
Let's go for a header, sir.
These are C. Okay. So fields. These are fields. We will choose some fields. We will choose some fields
How to know
for.
which field we need to choose, sir? How we can come to know which field we need to choose?
We will choose some fields according to the client requirement. According to client requirement, according to report. But here we will choose randomly. Suppose we can choose sale document number V balance. We will choose one field V balance. This is a field name is V balance. This is a sale document number character 10. The next field, this is a changed on sale document type company code. Okay, next we can choose company code. Company code is character 4 and no lowercase tick here and no alpha. And same as V balance. Oh yes, here is company code. Company code is this is yes. There is no alpha is here. Fine. This is BUKRS. This is BUKRS. This is a company code. This is a character 4. No alpha. Next is we can choose create on the local currency. We will choose one key figure also. This is a net WR, net value. Okay. Okay, we will choose net value. It is a key figure. Net WR. Net WR. This is a net value. Net value. It is CURR currency and currency symbol is WAERK. WEARK. This is WAERK. This is a currency symbol based on zero currency. So now we will create, basically we should create only three. V balance, sale document and company code is characteristics, net value is key figure. We will create from the very beginning. First of all, we will create info area.
We
In the
can't take
info area,
sales employee.
yes, sales,
Employee.
it is not sale employee, no? It is sale header, sale order header, sale order header, sale order header info area.
No, I'm talking about. Can we take the sales employee as well in the from the field?
Yes, you can create.
So how I come to know in the future that I think I need to take, which not to take?
Your voice is not clear.
I'm saying that how I can come to know which field need to take and not to take.
Uh, it is based on the report question because every time client gives us a report, final output. So according to the report, we should extract some fields. Okay.
Okay.
So this is characteristics. Similarly, we are creating characteristics, and under the characteristics, we can create sale document number is character 10, no alpha. Here is no alpha, no sure.
Hmm.
And the name of info area is this. And we should activate. After that, we will create one more. One more was company code. Company code. Company code was care 4. Care 4, no alpha. Oh, I I think so I got some mistake. Should I check it again? I will check it again. Fields V balance. Oh, V balance is alpha. Currency code, company code was no alpha. Company code no alpha, but V balance is alpha. We should edit it. It was the alpha. Now it is okay. The next is we should create one more, that is a net value. Net value is a key figure. So to create a key figure, first of all we should create key figure catalog. Firstly we should create key figure catalog. Key figure catalog. This is a key figure section, and key figure catalog is successfully created. Now we will create info object and net value. That is a net value. Net value net value zero currency. This is zero currency. Activate.
What time you are taking D, am I right?
Hmm?
What time you are taking in zero currency D, today you are taking M.
No, it will always select here active version only. It will always select here active version. If there is no active version, A version, then it will show error.
I didn't get you, sir.
Hmm?
Didn't get you.
Yes, pardon. Your voice is not clear.
Didn't get you.
Hmm?
I didn't get you.
Okay. See, this is zero currency,
Mm-hmm.
and it is always active version, A version.
So which version we need to check because there are a lot of version here in zero currency.
Hmm. No, no, these are only samples. See, these are only samples.
Mm-hmm.
We should
So
choose A version only.
we never use D or M.
Never use D or M because 3 means initial, initial. M means modified, modif, modified, and A means active.
So if we use M or D, what will happen, sir?
No, it will show. See, I will see when you choose here, na, any version,
Mm-hmm.
it will not matter. It will always select active version only.
Mm-hmm.
It always choose active version only. And if there is no active version, it shows error.
Okay.
But I am saying for normal objects. For normal objects, already choose active version. But here is no problem. Zero currency, it will select active version only. And now we will move forward. We have created all info objects.
Hello. Hello.
We will refresh entire tree. Our info provider will come here. What was the name of info area?
Header.
Mm-hmm. Tail header. Where is it? Is not here. Yes, it is not here. What was the name? Sale order header. Sale order header. Sale order header. Where is it? Okay, I will find it. This is. So now we will create data stored object VSO for header, VSO sale order header. Similarly, all steps are same. We will create, we will mention here characteristics in the key field, sale order. Similarly, key figure, key figure will be here and then activate it. All steps are same, no change. Yes, it is activated. It comes here and right click, create, create transformation. Data source name is, we know, okay, I will search it. The name is who list 11 VAHBHDR. Enter, enter, enter. Yes. So similarly, we can do the transformation here. We can do transformation here. This is a company code. We know the company code is BUKRS. This is net V balance sale document number is this, and net value. Where is net value? Where is net value? Net value is this. We should drag and drop here net value and just activate. So it is activating. After activation, it comes here. We can create data transfer process. In the data transfer process, just activate it and execute it. So it will load all data.
You don't have to run package.
So it will load all data. No, we have not run, but we are expecting that there are some uh, data in PSA. Yes, there was some data in the PSA. So all data is loading here. So all data is loading here. Data is loaded. We can check manage new data and it will show us the data. This is data. This is company code. This is sale document number, and this is net value. So these are things.
So, sir,
So we have
in this, if we select if the data is updated I mean in the logistic, then it will be shown in our report as well.
yes, and we can generate the report of this information also.
Okay. So
We can
after
generate the report.
mhm.
Hmm?
So after this, what
Yes,
we'll do, we'll copy the info DSO and we'll work in the BEX.
yes. Similarly, we just open the BEX query designer, just
Okay.
query designer.
So before this one, sir, if we want to make a info cube as well in the same, so can we create the info cube or info
Same,
set?
similar steps. All steps are same. No change.
In the same, I can create the info cube as well. Yeah.
Yes, yes. You can create. No problem. And just okay.
So in this, we don't have to go for the data source, creation data source, and neither we don't have to run IP.
But but you should run IP
But in this case, you haven't run IP here.
because I know it was already executed and all data was stored in the PSA.
So if
Either
not,
you
then
should assure
how will
data is
run the
available. Yes.
IP, sir?
Hmm?
If not, then how from where we'll run the IP because the data sources we haven't created.
Huh? Same steps. See, in the data source, this is IP.
Uh-huh. So we'll click on
Header,
that.
this is IP. All steps are same. Just open it, schedule, start.
Okay.
Hmm. So this window is BEX query.
So after this, again we need to, sir, after running IP, again we need to run execute DTP.
Yes, yes. After the IP, we should run DTP. We should run data transform process to load the data from PSC to info provider.
Okay, in short, I can say that
Like this.
first we'll create the transformation and then we'll create the sorry, DTP. We'll run the DTP, execute the DTP in the
Hmm.
DSO or info queue,
Hmm.
and we'll check the data. If data is not available, we'll replace it. If it is showing some is not available, then we can go in data source and we can run the info package, and again we'll
Yes.
go back to the DSO
Yes.
and run activate the DTP.
Yes. Execute the DTP only.
Then we can able to see the data.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Firstly IP, then DTP. See, this is query designer.
Mm-hmm.
In this query designer, create a new query.
Okay, in the same process for info cube as well, info cube or info set, same process. Yeah?
Same process. Yes.
Okay.
See, if you want, then we can create info cube also. See, I will show you one info cube also, no problem. See, here is one info cube.
Mm-hmm.
This is info cube of header. Sale header cube. Create. All steps are same. These are characteristics. We should keep characteristics in the dimension 1. and key figures into the key figure section. After that, just activate it. This is cube. All steps are same. See, everything is same. Allo COckpit is a predefined data sources. Predefined data sources. We just use them. See, cube.
So have you taken the value of key figure?
Cube transformation.
Have you taken the value of key figure, sir?
Value of
Key figure. Have you drag and drop the need value in the key figure?
yes, yes.
Okay.
We have dropped because without key figure, cube will not
Activate.
cube will not create. Na?
Mm-hmm.
Tool is V item header T. Okay. This is transformation and some columns are automatically mapped here. These are automatically mapped and we can check net value. Yes, all is done. We just activate it. Okay. And similarly, we can create data transfer process.
You can create or we have to run IP set.
If you want, you can run it. Suppose I'm running IP again. Here is no need to run IP. Why? Because if you want to run, then start. Now IP is running in the background. Check monitor. It will take some time. It will take some time because data is very large. It is fetching data from Allo COckpit. So it is taking time. It will take long time. So it will take long time. In the meanwhile, we can run data transfer process. Execute. Because we know that we have some data is available in the PSA. So we can run data transfer process. So some data will load into the info cube. So it is loading data. It is loading the all sale header data. So fine, all steps are similar.
It will load
Okay.
all data or whatever we have created, that will only it will load, sir.
It will create all data from Allo COckpit. Na?
But it will publish only
All
whatever
data
we
selected columns. Na? All data of selected columns. So So it will create automatically. Okay, now we can open BEX Business Explorer. This is BEX window. Okay, and here you can create new.
Again, login password.
Yes, we entered login password.
Mm-hmm.
All passwords are in this file.
Okay.
Select info area. Click on info area. Select your info area. Your info area was sale header. Where is your info area?
You can go in find and you can find it, sir.
Where is your info area? This is. You can choose, suppose anyone, anything.
MCQ.
Suppose you want to choose cube.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose you want to choose cube, sale cube. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
select it. So it is a cube. You can click on here, rows and columns. It is row section, it is a column section.
Mm-hmm.
All characteristics, drag and drop in the rows, and uh, key figures drag and drop into the net value. Drag and drop key figures in the column section, just like key figures in the column section, just like a pivot table in Excel.
So
Pivot.
in this we will only take a field which we have created in the info queue or info or DSO. What about the units and data package? We need to drag and drop.
No, it will not require. You can do one thing. Currency you can use. Currency in the sense, currency you can use only. Otherwise, no other info object will use. This is technical specification, na? And end user will not consider it.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, now just save it and save the report description, sale header, save. After save, just execute it. This is execute button. Report will run on the web. It will ask you again username and password for security reasons. Username and password for security reason, and just log on, and it will generate the final report. Now it is generating report, so it generate final report. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is your final report. It is company code,
Mm-hmm.
sale document number, currency, net value.
Mm-hmm. So what are all this
So this
asset? New NIC
hmm,
token, save as info, send version, export to Microsoft Excel, invite.
What is?
What are all these? New analysis, open, save as, info, send, print version.
New analysis means if you want to open another query, na? Another, if you want to open another query, so then you can open new analysis. If you want to open a new query, we are not opening new query. This is open. These are reports. This is save as. Save as means to save the report.
Which report, sir?
You want to save the report, and this is how to show in a table or in a graphics. Actually, graphics size is too small to display this amount of data. Okay, chart is not possible. Chart is not possible because the number of records are very huge. It is showing 2777. Next is info. Information of the query. Just information of the query. Just information. This is print version if you want to print it. This is export if you want to export into the Excel. You can save as an in the Excel. See, it saves in the Excel. You can open it. It exports in the Excel. This is a complete Excel file. See, this is a complete Excel file and it is a offline report. Export means there is no link between SAP and Excel. It exports. All data saves here.
Okay.
After that, these are nodes. These are extra options, but these options are important. Filter. Filters opened. If you want to show filters only, there is a company code. I want to show company code is 1000 only. Add. I want to add company code of 1000. Okay. Now it will show only 1000. See, now it is showing only 1000. The total records are 1035.
Okay. So in this way, key figure also we can select.
Yes, these are filters. These are filters. Company code, currency, key figure. See, this is key figure, na? If you want to put filter here, filter on the net value. It will ask us. See, it will. We can click on edit and this is a net value. We can just this is a filter button, and we can apply is type. This is a type. Okay, this is a single value. Okay, it is showing single value only. Okay, display all filter values. Clear. Clear means clear the filter. Now it clear all filters. It is showing only one value. If I want to remove it, I can remove it. Select and just OK it. See, this key figure means net value. And here you can do one more thing. There is a three characteristics. You can do one thing. This is a sale document number. Sale document number. On the sale document number, you can see this sale document number. Okay, you can just drag and drop into the free characteristics. If you drag and drop into the free characteristics, so sale document number will remove here. Okay, if you send any field into the free characteristics, then it will remove from the final output. So now I think so the chart will generate. Yes, now the chart will generate.
So we can make different chart, or only this chart will do?
Yes, now you can see Euro, German, US dollar means sale. The maximum sale in the Euro,
So how many
in the
type
Euro
chart
currency.
we can prepare, sir?
Here, display a chart or display as table. This is a table. And there is a one more thing. Table and graph. Table and graph. And you can do one thing here. If you just drag and drop this sale document number into the rows, sale document number comes here. And you can do one more thing, sale document number in the column section. Yes, now sale document number into the columnar section. These are sale document numbers. I will again put into the row section. This is, and I will again remove sale document number like that. So this is a query, BEX query.
This command of best query.
Yes, it is BEX query. So similarly, you should create.
So design is different. This both the part
Hmm?
BEX query, yeah.
BEX query.
So in the before one screen, we only just select drag and drop. That's all.
Hmm? Yes. Normally, actually, it's a introduction of BEX query. You should do practice it. In the next class, we will complete the we will complete study BEX.
Hmm.
I will explain you complete BEX in next class.
If possible, can you explain today only, sir? So that in more 15 20 minutes.
Actually, I will give you some time for practice.
No. Practice I will be doing, sir. No issue in that. I'll be doing the practice now itself after the class.
Hmm.
So I was just saying that if possible, then we can complete some topic of the BEX. So hardly we will be. So by
We,
tomorrow we can complete the BEX and the master attributes and other topics.
can we do? We can do one thing. Can we continue this class in morning?
Morning at what
Morning
time?
8:30. 8:30
Um,
my time.
8:30 your
Because
time.
hmm?
Yeah, yesterday I was free. Today also I'll be free. Maximum I'll be free. Okay,
Hmm.
fine.
If you will be free, then we can do at 8:30 because when I come in my office now,
Uh-huh.
I will perform my work for 1 hour only. No problem.
Okay.
So
So we
then
can.
I will
So
give
you
you
mean
complete back.
your timing tomorrow morning and evening we can have the classes.
Huh? Yes, we can do it.
Okay. Fine then.
So
No,
tomorrow,
I was saying that generally we wind up our class at around 7:30 like that Indian timing. So I was just saying that more 20 minutes we can complete some topics. So that was the there's a question.
actually, Bex, you should do. You should create some info. You should create some info providers like 3SO. You should create employee 3SO and product 3SO.
Mm-hmm.
Then we will then we will create reports on it like PID,
Okay.
PNAME,
Mm-hmm.
and price.
Mm-hmm. So again, we will be discussing the query, sir, because yesterday you were saying that we need to have restrictions, characteristic in the queries, and formula, the exception cells. You were saying yesterday, which need to be discussed in the query.
Discuss in the query means
Yesterday you were saying that, sir, in query we will be covering these are the topics which need to be covered, like how to create a new query and how to add the formulas and exception cells, like that you were saying, yes, how to calculate the key figures.
I will explain you. I will explain you in the next class, and in the next class, BAX will be complete. And next class, we will start Hana.
Okay, so we can do one thing, sir. Tomorrow, I mean, your tomorrow morning, we can have the class for the BEX, and in the evening, that
Yes.
means your evening, tomorrow evening, we can have the class for the other process chain and whatever the pending we are having, like process chain and master data attributes. Hello, 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 hello. Hello.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
Vikram.
So can we do in that
Yes,
way?
fine. Yes.
Okay, sir. So there is what is the percentage that, sir, you will be free, sir, tomorrow morning? I mean the classes 8:30.
Uh, Tomorrow morning I will be free for you.
Okay.
Uh, yes, it is confirmed.
Okay, fine. Fine then, sir. We'll do the
Hmm.
tomorrow 2 sessions and we can bind up the Hana, sorry, BW to some
Hmm.
extent.
Yes, fine, fine, Vikram. Right.
So how can I use this server, sir?
Hmm?
How can I use this server? Can you share me the ID password for the server?
I will send you the credentials.
Okay, where in a WhatsApp or email?
Uh, yes, I will share with you on WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I'll be waiting for the
Right.
message.
Yes, fine.
Thank you.
Okay.